Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so I wanted to do a big video for the Galaxy S10 giveaway, a big update on it, and there's been two issues that we ran into, but we're solving those and giving you guys more opportunity to enter to get a chance to win the giveaway. So before I get started on that though, I do want to let you guys know of a really cool video that got published on YouTube, and that is Samsung released a press video to us at launch on hands-on with the Galaxy Fold. This is their bendable phone that's $1,980, I want to say, to be exact. And it's a really amazing phone. Very few of us got to do hands-on time with it. I was one of the lucky few because of just one kind of in that I have with people that work at Samsung. So it was really cool to get it hands-on. It's really amazing. There's really only two of them there that I know of, at least. So really awesome. The Galaxy Fold is something you should take a look at. So check out the hands-on video. I'll leave it in the link and in the description on the comments. So now to the giveaway. So the Galaxy S10 giveaway, we ran into two issues, but I want to solve them and let you know what exactly happened. So the first issue is basically a lot of YouTubers have covered it. Ones that I know, Erica Griffin and Juan Carlos Bagnell. Basically, Gleam and any other giveaway things that YouTubers use, you know, we typically have a person subscribe in order to enter. Basically, YouTube, because of their paranoia on advertisers, did a whole bunch of things this week, but one of the biggest issues is they have basically told us we cannot have anything that has it look at your YouTube to make sure you subscribed. So because of that, I can no longer post links to the giveaway going forward. Now that's important because I'm going to have to do a bunch of finagling to let you guys still enter in the giveaway. So because of these issues, we will have to do an entirely different giveaway system next time around with the Note series or the next smartphone we do a giveaway for. But that being said, I do want to do two things. So first off, I want to allow for one more day for the giveaway. So it was 2 days left. I'm going to add another day for each international and US giveaway. So we are going to make it 3 days left in the giveaway. So it should end Wednesday night, I believe now, instead of Tuesday night. The second thing is that basically how we're going to do it is I can no longer post a new link to the giveaway. However, the current ones in the descriptions of my past videos are still active. So this is what's going to happen to avoid getting a strike, which would cause me to not be able to do a live video or get a bunch of stuff that obviously isn't good. So this is what we're going to do. Basically, in the description of this video and in the comment section at the pin to the top is the link for the S10 First Impressions video. In that video description, you have the two giveaway links still active. So you go there, you click the giveaway link, and you enter to win. Simple as that. Right now, you get 2 additional entries by commenting on the benchmark video as well as the first impressions video. That is as of today, Sunday the 24th. Tomorrow morning, when I wake up, so, you know, 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm going to change that to this video, commenting on this video, and commenting on a Mobile Weekly video that will be published later tonight. So effectively, you're going to get 2 entries still from the last 2 videos if you do it today, and then another 2 entries, so additional 2 bonus entries for tomorrow, again, to give everyone the chance to enter in to win because of all these issues. I just want to give a bit of more chance because there's been a lot of issues. Some people thought I wasn't doing the giveaway anymore because they didn't see the links anymore. So yes, we're still doing the giveaway, but it has to be in the description of this past video in order for you to still enter because of YouTube's new policy. The second thing, did we get a video from Unpacked? Obviously, we came back from Unpacked. We came back, and a bunch of YouTubers got the video, basically, that went to a restaurant there after Unpacked. And unfortunately, I was not invited. Yeah, so I knew of some YouTubers that did get to go invited. But unfortunately, I was not one of them. Samsung did not put us on the list. It kind of sucked, but we got the Galaxy Buds, so we're going to be doing an unboxing and setup for that to see how quick and easy it is to set up. And then we're going to do the review for that later this week. Are we still giving a video? Are we still giving a phone away? Yes. I told you guys that us going to go on Unpacked was really great. So I'm going to pay for it out of my own pocket. Basically just so I can give it away to you guys. And yeah, hopefully I'll get a like, thumbs up for that. So we are going to give away a Galaxy S10e. It's going to be unlocked and it will be the 128 gig black. So that's the one we're giving away. Now, there's an issue with that as well, though, because Samsung is not allowing us to place 2 orders for one household at this time. So basically, they will not ship the phone to me or process the order till March 8th for the 10e. They're shipping me my one that I paid for, the S10 Plus, but they're not shipping the second one till the 8th. So basically, the person who wins the 10e won't get it till probably mid-March, till I'm just saying end of March. You will get it. I'm going to ship it off to you. I will announce the winners later on. But just letting you know that you're not going to get it on the 8th because they're not even going to process the order till March 8th. Basically, till after I get my S10 Plus that I ordered first, they won't ship the S10e till after I get the first one. So if I get the first one on March 7th, that's when they should process the order according to their wording. That is how they should do it. Regardless, I'm going to get a 10e one way or another to give away to one of you guys. So trust me, you guys will get it. It just might not be at launch, of course. All right, guys, so that was all the issues. We had an issue with YouTube, issue with Samsung, and well, I guess 2 issues with Samsung, the PR and then this issue. So we are giving away a phone to you guys still, though. I can't thank you enough for getting us to Unpacked. It's been really great. We have almost 100,000 views with just 3 days worth of videos. So I thank you guys for that. And yeah, I will keep putting out content. Again, we did take a couple of photos while we were there. So I'm going to be doing side-by-side camera comparisons versus the iPhone Max, versus the Note 9, versus the S9 Plus, versus the LG V40, and everything else. I'm not at MWC, unfortunately. I'm trying to see if I can go to another event in the future, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, a lot of stuff still coming. We have a smart home device. We have some really amazing new watch reviews, 2 smartwatches that we are currently reviewing, and a new tablet as well. So a lot of stuff coming out later this week. And of course, once we do get the S10, we are going to have the most coverage on YouTube as we do every year. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, thank you so much. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.